you want me to cut you a lilac?
No. What the hell would I do with a lilac?
Smell it.
Oh, jeez.
Have you smelled the lilacs yet?
No.
No?
No.
Don't you love to smell lilacs?
It's not real high on my list, no.
It's not?
No.
You should stop and smell flowers once in a while, honey. Have you ever smelled a lilac? What? You're only in your 70s. You've led a sheltered life.
I've led a sheltered life?
Yeah.
How do you figure that? Huh?
Well, because you're not a gardener.
Oh, listen to Miss Gardener. Miss Garden Person. That's only been doing it for 2 years. Now she's an authority. She's a gardener.
Well, I made flowers.
Did you get a certificate?
God and me, we grew flowers.
I'd give more credit to God.
I do give more credit to God. Look at the other ones just starting to flower. And the big one's got buds all over it.
Well, good for it. That usually flowers every year.
It does.
Yes.
It's exciting.
Why?
Because flowers bring bees. And bees bring food.
I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to... Once that's done over there, what is our priorities? Nothing?
Well, like I said, I would like to get bark in all the gardens. Well, at least the in-ground gardens.
No, I don't.
What are you talking about?
Yeah, what are you talking about?
You mean after that?
Well, no, I don't know. No, you got crap planted in there. Now you're going to cover it with bark?
No, not till fall when I take everything out.
Well, Jesus, this is May. There's May, June, July.
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
August, September.
Yes. October and November will be when I'm harvesting.
Supposed to plan up to that far. Get my October list out.
Well, you want to have him bring another load of bark in the fall?
He can get bark anytime, so I ain't too worried about that.
Okay. Cover it with bark, and then in the spring we can bring in another load of dirt.
Okay.
And fill everything up.
So when are these vines going to grow?
Which vines?
Your grapes.
The grapes?
Yeah.
They should be, by the end of summer, they should be filling that up.
Really?
Yeah, but we're supposed to keep it from flowering.
How do you do that?
You cut the flowers off before they fruit. You know, flowers create fruit, right?
Not all flowers.
Not all flowers, but on plants.
Really?
Yes, on
really?
edible plants.
Is that what those little things are? That look like flowers? Aren't those fruiting flowers?
Do I need to punch you? Monkey boy.
I don't believe it. I think I was more around gardening and farming than you were.
Probably. I don't know anything.
I ain't commenting. I did not comment on that. I keep waiting for the cattle to come in and eat all the hay.
What hay? We're not growing any hay.
Well, what the heck is that?
What the heck is what?
What's that stuff in there if it ain't hay?
Well, there's sage.
No. What's that yellow stuff that's in those?
Oh, that's hay.
What? My God. What kind of freaking eyesight do you have?
Oh, we're not eating
I'm
that.
not looking at hay, so it doesn't show when I look. I just see the plants. I just see plants. I don't see hay. It's like, okay. How's that work?
Quite nicely.
Evidently. That'd be nice.
Like, what the hell are you talking about? Hay. Oh, you mean the mulch?
The hay.
The mulch.
Is that hay or is that straw?
It's hay, I believe. I'd have to look.
You don't even know what you're putting on your plants?
I know it's organic, and I know
Oh,
it's
good. So is the dirt.
pesticide free.
Dirt's organic too. It's like kind of like, what's in that hay? I don't know. It's organic though. Well,
It's shredded.
no shit.
No shit. Sherlock.
What do you? God. It's shred. Oh, is that what that means? The little tiny pieces is shredding. Oh, okay.
Farm straw.
It's straw. It's not hay.
Yeah.
All right.
What's he doing out here?
He's just been helping me out a little bit this afternoon.
Oh, she's been filming. Don't you know that? You can move that basket.
I will move that.
Him and my other friends, they've been helping me out. How are your spies doing?
My spies have disappeared.
Oh, they went AWOL.
Really?
They went over the wall.
Huh.
They're gone.
Sit on it?
I was wondering if we still had this basket.
Yes, it's for my gardening.
Paula will be glad to know that.
Oh,
Paula.
is that where it came from?
Yeah.
Okay.
What'd
I have 2 baskets that I use
what'd
for...
she send that for?
I think she used to sell them.
Oh,
Oh,
This is years and years old.
okay.
well, so is the group.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're years and years old.
You can keep talking about me.
I'm okay.
We weren't
That was
talking about
Quite
you.
what I wanted to do.
You didn't want to lean back like that?
No,
You can stop that. There's twisty things.
I know, but it's kind of like I just wanted to lean back a little more, and then pretty soon I'm on my back.
Well, you're looking up at the clouds and blue sky.
Oh God! Don't start the clouds,
Look, it looks like
See?
a big dragonfly.
Sharon.
Can you see it?
That's what you're supposed to do when you're looking at the
We were
clouds.
just a few minutes ago. We were talking about the hay and stuff, and all of a sudden it goes, "Look at them clouds!" And it's like, "All right, people, keep up." We done shifted again.
Well, she did a whole video on clouds.
What?
Nothing but clouds.
She did.
I did.
And she posted it.
Uh-huh.
You're kidding?
No. The whole thing. And as I'm looking up at
noises.
these clouds virtually,
Yeah.
all of a sudden this face comes in.
Hurt?
Yes.
The video ends.
Why?
The video.
What was that? To
That's the-
scare the hell out of you?
Yes.
Huh?
That's the way she ended the video.
Okay, everybody's got to take a potty break now.
You're relaxing. You're enjoying the blue sky and the clouds.
You can
And-
hear
and
the
the
chimes
music,
and the
Or
birds
the
and
birds and everything, and then all of a sudden, la-da!
Oh, I didn't look like that, did I?
Almost. You didn't do that part with your hands, but you did do that part.
See this all now. If your mom and I have to depend on this garden, we're out of luck. Because it's not gonna. Well, I'm gonna make salad out of the stuff I get out of my garden, but there ain't gonna be enough for you guys. So what do? You get cahoots with the neighbors so we can get shit out of their garden, or what?
No.
You okay?
Yeah.
You over there snorting.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, that's what I'd say. Oh my goodness.
Well, there's not a whole lot that's ready, but some of those radishes are definitely ready. Our friend Billy over there at the Wickershire Project,
yeah.
he told me the other day that radishes, once they're about an inch, once you can see about an inch, they're ready to be pulled. And I have...
Evidently, whoever it is that's in charge of the wind don't want to hear this.
Apparently not.
Evidently, they don't care about radishes from
They don't
Billy.
care about radishes from Billy. So that's probably about enough of our shenanigans for one day. And I'm going to let you go, and thank you for coming and hanging out for a little bit with us. I really do appreciate every minute that you come and spend with us. Let me know if you'd like to see more of these, because I do have a ton of footage of us just hanging out in the backyard when I'm gardening or taking a break from gardening or whatever. We spend a lot of time out there. So have yourself a fantastic day. I will see you soon. Bye now.